Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can split the screen at the OnePlus Nord 2 and OnePlus Nord 2T. Yeah, we have a very cool way for that, but first of all let's open the app we want to have. Let's take my YouTube. So just an example, take the app you want to have, in my case it is YouTube. So and now take 3 fingers and swipe them from the bottom to the top a bit like this. And then you will have this split screen mode. After, you can choose the app you want to have here on the screen below. Maybe let's take the Chrome browser here or another app. And then you will have here on top YouTube. And if I'm watching or I'm watching a video, yeah, I choose any content here. And then I can choose next to below here something at the Google Chrome browser. If I want to have a larger screen here on top, I just swipe down a bit, and if I want to have a larger screen here below, I just swipe up a bit like this. So pretty cool. And if I want to finish it, just swipe the bar in the middle down to have YouTube, or swipe it up if you want to have the Chrome browser. I want to have YouTube, so I swipe it down. So and there's another way to have the split screen mode. This you can do if you have the navigation bar here. If you just long press here the recent button, so the square, then you will have also this split screen mode. Then I have on top also YouTube here, and below let's continue again with the Chrome browser here. Then I will have below then also here the Chrome browser for our example. So as you can see, pretty easy. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe till next time. Ciao.